A for apple. B for book. C for cat. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for God. H for horse. I for ink. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for wool. P for pig. Q for queen. R for red. S for snack. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for X-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra.